Alright guys, I'm super bored, so I'm just making a video about how to take apart the PlayStation 2, fat ass old one. Um, no one cares, but this does void your warranty, obviously, but who cares? Um, Problem with mine is this doesn't work that well. Well, this part actually. My screen goes on and off sometimes, so yeah. Alright, first, let's flip it over, and then these little tabs are going to be screws. You want a knife or one of these. Yeah, so pull these little tabs up, put them somewhere safe. It's not necessary, but pop these little things off. Now these are Phillips head screws. So we're going to take a normal size Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to start to screw these on. Now you're going to have two long ones, I think. So here's your first one. Okay, maybe they're all long, I'm not sure. Second one. Okay, here's the normal ones. There's 6 of them on the top. Sorry it's taking so long. I don't know how to do videos on YouTube, so I just record it. Here's another long one. Alright, so take this cover off. There's a bay expansion right there. Now we're just gonna there's 2 screws over here that we gotta get to. Here and here. Okay. Alright, so now all the screws are out. We're just going to lift up on this casing. If you've never opened it up before, there's usually a snap type noise. Ugh. So now you're gonna have something there. You can see that right there. So, take this part off. Do not remove this little ribbon. Be a real bitch to get back on. Alright, and let's see, get this crap off. Alright, you have two screws right here and here, and I think one right here. Let's see if we can get this off. Alright, so alright, so those two front screws are right here. You just take those off. Now mine's pretty dirty, but I don't care because I don't play it. So that to the side, and it's pretty nasty. Alright, so now this part is what's bad in mine. I don't really care though, so but that's how you take it apart.